Andaman Green-Pigeon is a large, dull green pigeon with a thick pale bill and a grey forehead. It is an endemic species of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It has the dark olive-green wings have contrasting yellow lines below the shoulders, and the undertail is dull yellow, with green patches. It often flocks in large numbers, and feeds in the canopy on fruits and figs. The song is a distinctive low, nasal whistle. The Andaman green-pigeon is a medium-sized green pigeon, measuring 25 to 30 cm in length. The overall plumage of these pigeon species is greenish. The forehead is whitish and the crown is pale greyish-blue. The rump is bright greenish-yellow. The males have a small maroon mantle patch. The underparts are greenish. The wings are long and green. The flight feathers have yellow edge and there is a yellow bar across the covers. The undertail covers are whitish. The undertail appear graduated. The diet of this Andaman green pigeon consists mainly of fruits, berries, fruits, figs and seeds of fruiting trees are their primary food. The breeding season of these Andaman green pigeon species is during February and March. Fragile nests made of sticks and twigs have been observed 6 meters above the ground. These birds are monogamous. The clutch contains 2 white eggs. These pigeon species are non-migrant resident birds. They disperse locally after breeding. The populations in higher altitudes descend to the lower levels in winter.